Welcome back to Zane Trends, the ultimate destination for the latest in gaming tech. Today, we're diving deep into the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 8S Pro, a powerhouse designed for gamers who want top-tier performance without breaking the bank. If you're into mobile gaming, you won't want to miss this. Let's get into it. The ZTE Nubia Red Magic 8S Pro was released on July 11, 2023, and it's already creating a buzz in the gaming community. Weighing 228 grams and with a thickness of 9.5 millimeters, it's a substantial device built for serious gamers. In this video, we'll explore every aspect of the Red Magic 8S Pro. We'll cover its display, memory, camera, battery life, and of course, its gaming-specific features. By the end of this video, you'll know if this is the right gaming phone for you. Let's kick things off with the display. The Red Magic 8S Pro boasts a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1116 by 2480 pixels. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a peak brightness of 1300 nits, this screen delivers crisp visuals and smooth gameplay. The 89.1% screen-to-body ratio offers an immersive experience, perfect for gaming and streaming. Plus, the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection ensures durability during those intense gaming sessions. The Red Magic 8S Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB storage. This setup ensures lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. But what makes this phone a gamer's delight are the gaming-specific features. It has pressure-sensitive zones with 520 Hz touch sensing, a built-in cooling fan, and an aviation aluminum middle frame for efficient heat dissipation. This means you can game for hours without worrying about overheating. The Red Magic 8S Pro is equipped with a massive 6000 mAh battery, ensuring long hours of uninterrupted gaming. It supports 80W wired charging, which can fully charge the phone in just 35 minutes, for the China version, and 65W wired charging for the international version, which takes around 40 minutes. This quick charging capability is a game-changer, especially when you need to get back into the action quickly. You won't have to worry about running out of juice during critical gaming moments. Although it's primarily a gaming phone, the Red Magic 8S Pro doesn't skimp on camera quality. It features a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixels main sensor, an 8 megapixels ultrawide lens, and a 2 megapixels macro lens. The front camera is a 16 megapixels under-display shooter. The main camera can shoot 8K videos at 30 FPS, and the ultrawide lens is perfect for capturing expansive scenes. The under-display front camera ensures an uninterrupted screen experience while still delivering decent selfies and video calls. Running on Android 13 with Red Magic OS 8, the interface is smooth and optimized for gaming. The phone includes various gaming modes and tools to enhance your experience, such as customizable game settings and performance boosters. The Red Magic Studio lets you stream your gameplay directly to platforms like Twitch and YouTube. It's an excellent feature for content creators and streamers. The ZTE Nubia Red Magic 8S Pro is priced at around €650, making it a competitive option in the high-performance gaming phone market. So, is the Red Magic 8S Pro worth it? Absolutely. With its top-tier performance, stunning display, extensive battery life, and gaming-centric features, it's a fantastic choice for serious mobile gamers. If you're looking to elevate your gaming experience, this phone should be on your radar. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to your channel name for more in-depth tech reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Red Magic 8S Pro and if you're planning to get one. Also, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. Keep gaming, and we'll see you in the next video.